Welcome to Mahila Samaja Digital Classes. Before starting this session, let us know what we have learnt in the previous class. In the last class, we have learnt and studied about revision exercise means 4-digit numbers. Read and write 5-digit numbers, recognize place value of 5-digit numbers, expand the 5-digit numbers according to place value of digits. Dear children, let us continue the chapter. So, let us begin our first topic, that is standard form. Children, observe the screen. How to write expanded form of numbers in standard form. For example, 8 into 10,000 plus 5 into 1000 plus 2 into 100 plus 7 into 10 plus 6 into unit. Here unit means ones place. Here you should convert into numbers 8 into 10,000 plus 5 into 1000 plus 2 into 100 plus 7 into 10 plus 6 into 1. If we multiply, we get 80,000 plus 5,000 plus 200 plus 70 plus 6. We add these numbers, we get 85,276. Our next topic is formation of the greatest and the smallest 5-digit number with given digits. For example, form the greatest and the smallest 5-digit numbers using the digits 9, 4, 6, 1, 3 without repeating them. See children, first we compare the given digits. Next, write them in descending order, means 9, 6, 4, 3, 1. Then we get the greatest 5-digit number 96,431. The greatest 5-digit number using the digits 9, 4, 6, 1, 3 without repeating is 96,431. To form the smallest 5-digit number, compare the given digits. Write the given digits in ascending order. Here ascending order means small number to big number. 1, 3, 4, 6, 9. Then we get the smallest 5-digit number 13,469. The smallest 5-digit number using the digits 9, 4, 6, 1, 3 without repeating is 13,469. The next example, to form the smallest 5-digit number with one of the digits as 0. Example number 4, 8, 0, 2, 5 without repeating them. To compare the digits given, then write the given digits in ascending order 0, 2, 4, 5, 8. Now interchange 0 and the next digit to get the smallest number 20,458. Therefore, the smallest 5-digit number using the digits 4, 8, 0, 2, 5 without repeating is 20,458. The greatest number is 85,420. The next topic is the preceding and the succeeding numbers of 5-digit number. Here, preceding number means one less than the number in ones place or before numbers. For example, 38,600 653. The preceding number is 38,652. Next, succeeding number. The succeeding number means one more than the number in one place or plus one. It is called after numbers. Example 46,790. Succeeding number or after number is 46,791. Observe the screen. Children, let us find the preceding and succeeding numbers of a given 5-digit number. The first column, the preceding number, means 1 less than the number, means -1. The number. The second column is the number. The third one, the succeeding number, means 1 more than the number, means +1 in unit place only. The number is the question. 83,653. Preceding number is 83,652. The succeeding number is 83,654. The next question, 25,048. 25,048. Preceding number is 25,047. The succeeding number is 25,049. The next question, 46,790. The preceding number is 46,789. The succeeding number 46,791. The next question, 20,000. The succeeding number is 20,001. The preceding number is 19,999. Have you understood, no children? Now I will ask some more questions. The first question, what is the predecessor of 68,299? Yes, you are right, children. The answer is 68,298. The next question, what is the successor of 67,019? Yes, you are right. The answer is 67,020. The next topic is skip numbers. Children, see the example of number pattern. The first question is 2, 4, 6, dash, dash, 12. Yes, you are right. 6 after 8, 8 after 10, 10 after 12. Here, one number to another number, the difference is 2. So, like that, I'll ask one more example. 25,017, 35,017, dash, dash, 65,017. What you are observe here, the difference between 35,017 and 25,017, 10,000. Now we add 10,000 to get next skip number. Observe the screen, children. 25,017 plus 10,000, we get the 35,017. 35,017 plus 10,000, we get the 45,017. 45,017 plus 10,000, we get the 55,017. 55,017 plus 10,000, we get the 65,017. It is the skip numbers. Understood, children? See, children, how to identify the smallest and the greatest of given 5-digit numbers. For example, which is the smaller number between 52,428 and 81,214? Here we compare the digits in 10,000s place. Digits in 10,000s place are 5 and 10. Here 5 is the smaller than 8. Therefore 52,428 is smaller than 81,214. So the answer is 52,428. The next example, which is the greater number between 12,234 and 11,484? In the given numbers, if the digits in 10,000s place are the same, then compare thousands place digits. Here the digits in 10,000 place are same. Compare the digits in 1000 place. Digits in 1000 place are 2 and 1. Here 2 is greater than 1. Therefore 12,234 is greater than 11,484. The answer is 12,234. The next topic is ascending and descending order. Children, you know already increasing and decreasing order of numbers in previous class. Today let us study about the descending order and ascending order in 5-digit number. Meaning of ascending order. Ascending order or increasing order means small number to big number. For example, 36,719, 36,952, 35,418, 43,709, 45,187 in ascending order. First, we compare the digits in 10,000 place. If the digits in 10,000 place are same, then compare the digits in thousands place. Next, write the given numbers in ascending order: 35,418, 36,719, 36,952, 43,709, 45,187 are in ascending order. Now know the meaning of descending means decreasing order. Decreasing order means big number to small number. For example, 57,093, 52,169, 54,917, 57,298, 58,791 in the descending order. First, compare the digits in 10,000 place. If the digits in 10,000 place are same, then compare the digits in thousands place. Arrange the given numbers in descending order: 58,791, 57,298, 57,093, 54,917, 52,169 are in descending order. Dear children, we have completed the chapter and I hope you people have understood all the aspects of this chapter 1, that is 5-digit number. Please complete the home assignment. Thank you. Have a wonderful day.